Dear friends, welcome to visit the demonstration area of UNO Smart Conveyor System. Here are many conveying technologies and solutions. To facilitate your visit, I'll show you a 150-second video first. UNO, not only in the overall process design, has very rich experience, but also in product manufacturing process. Conveying equipment seems simple, even in the details. UNO also meets your requirements for safety, energy saving, clean and convenient requirements. In addition to the intelligent conveying exhibition area here, and our 5S standardized management workshop. Next, my colleague will continue to show you around and explain to you. Thank you.